Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Blush on Cheek Stick. Long wearing ultra creamy formula, buildable color in the shade Bronze from the brand Mcobeauty, I think is what it's called. I'm not familiar with this brand and I was actually trying to find some information on this product online and I couldn't find any, so maybe you're like me and you're trying to get information on this product, and therefore I hope this video will help you out. I do see that this is vegan, cruelty-free, and you can use it on the cheeks and the lips, and I'm really excited to play around with this. So here is what it looks like. A twist up. I'm excited that this is in the shade Bronze. It still looks rosy, but I definitely prefer a bronzy toned blush. So let's start out with a swatch. Yeah, that is actually really not bronze. That's actually very red and more leaning towards the type of red that I don't love to wear as a blush, because I just find like it tends to look too red, irritated, like rosacea redness on my cheeks, which I'm trying to cover up with foundation. Then to just go back in and add that in just doesn't really make sense to me. But it does look like a beautiful shade for the lips. Here you can see what that swatch looks like. It's definitely creamy and pigmented. Since it is so pigmented, I'm gonna try and not apply too much to my cheeks, and I'm just going to go in with my finger because I feel like that's going to be the easiest way to blend out such a creamy texture. So let's see. Like, yeah, definitely very red, very pigmented, and very hard to blend. Very red, like, what? Okay. This is not going how I was expecting. It's really hard to blend out, so I'm trying to work really quickly. But this is in no way bronze. So that's a very misleading color name. And yeah, I mean, you can see it fully on my cheek now, just how red it truly is. And I just find that to not be too flattering for me. And it's very hard to apply, very matte on the skin as well, which I'm surprised about for such a creamy texture. So yeah, I'm not crazy about that on the cheeks. I'll go ahead and apply it to the other side to even it out. But I actually feel like I have to kind of pick up a lot since it's hard to blend out. Like you can see, like it just kind of gets stuck on where you apply it. I will say it does seem to be sitting on top of my makeup pretty well and not moving the makeup underneath. Probably because it sticks onto the makeup so much rather than lift the makeup. But yeah. Too red for me, but I'm hopeful for the lips. I'm going to just go ahead and apply it kind of like a lipstick style. Like, look at how pigmented that is. Kind of hard to apply to the lips in this technique because of this shape of it. You can't really get that precise shape, like especially on my top lip by the Cupid's bow. But it has a nice creamy texture on the lips, like a lip balm, and it's actually very moisturizing because my lips were kind of dry before this, and at first it was kind of clinging to the dry patches on my lips, and I was like, oh no, this is going to be an overall failure. But now after rubbing my lips together, it looks smooth and even color, and my lips are moisturized. And this is a pretty lip shade, like a coral, kind of peachy, reddish pink, which I love on the lips, not so much on the cheeks. I do love a monochromatic makeup look though, so I feel like the cheeks look better now that the lips match. Yeah, that's actually looking kind of cute. So if I'm gonna wear this on my lips, maybe I'll also throw it on my cheeks, but I'm pretty unlikely to wear this just alone on my cheeks, whereas I would definitely wear this alone on my lips. It's a really pretty lip formula. Like, I'm very impressed by how hydrating it is, and completely pigmented as well. Like, this is opaque color. I'm really glad that this did not turn into a complete failure, because I'm really happy with this as like a more than tinted lip balm, more like a lipstick, but a very hydrating lipstick in a beautiful color. So since I'm really unfamiliar with the brand Mcobeauty, I would love to hear in the comments down below if you've tried any other products from this brand, what your thoughts are on those products. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.